Think about how often you reach for your phone each day, to check messages, to navigate traffic, to snap a quick photo. Mobile technology is woven into nearly every part of our lives. But for safety professionals, that same device, the one already in every worker's pocket, is becoming a powerful tool for protection, prevention, and real-time response. In episode 5 of The Future is Safe, we're unpacking how mobile tech is changing the safety landscape, making it more personal, more immediate, and more effective. Let's start with something simple: communication. For decades, a key challenge on work sites has been the time it takes to relay information. Paper-based forms, delayed reporting, lost documentation, it all adds up to missed opportunities. Now with mobile safety apps, workers can file incident reports, hazard observations, and near-miss alerts in seconds, with photos, with location tags, with voice notes. Platforms like Salus, iAuditor, SafetyCulture, and EcoOnline have turned smartphones into mobile command centers, and the result? A faster safety loop. Instead of reporting after the fact, we're seeing real-time notifications, instant team alerts, and quicker corrective actions. But the power of mobile tech goes even deeper. Let's talk about geofencing. Geofencing allows safety managers to create invisible digital boundaries around danger zones, like high-voltage areas, excavation pits, or crane operation zones. When a worker's phone or wearable enters that boundary, they get an automatic alert. It's like a virtual hard hat reminder, and if they're not authorized to be there, the system flags it. In Dubai, a construction company used geo-fence safety zones to reduce unauthorized entries into high-risk scaffolding areas by 70% over 6 months. The tech didn't just protect, it educated. Workers began anticipating those alerts and adjusting their behavior before they even stepped into the zone. Another game changer: mobile training. Micro-learning modules delivered straight to phones allow workers to complete toolbox talks, hazard refreshers, and even full training certifications during breaks, in transit, or between tasks. And because it's mobile, it's accessible. No more crowding around the one computer in the safety office. During the pandemic, companies like Siemens and LafargeHolcim pivoted to mobile-first safety training to keep operations running while maintaining distancing. Completion rates went up, so did retention. And let's not forget video. If a worker spots a hazard, they can record a short clip and send it to their safety team instantly. If there's an incident, mobile footage can help piece together what happened. Some apps even allow live video check-ins for lone workers, a quick visual confirmation that someone is safe and accounted for. That's already happening in logistics and utilities. In Canada, utility companies use mobile video reporting to monitor line workers operating in remote areas. Instead of waiting for scheduled calls, safety supervisors receive short video logs sent directly from the field. It's not just about reporting, it's about responding. Let's say a lone worker in an isolated area misses a check-in. Within minutes, a mobile system can trigger a welfare alert, share GPS coordinates, and prompt nearby responders. This kind of tech-enabled response used to take hours. Now it takes seconds. In other workplaces, mobile tools are helping crews navigate rapidly changing hazards. On dynamic construction sites, for instance, digital hazard maps can be updated daily and accessed through worker phones. One tap, and everyone has the latest information on open trenches, overhead lifts, or equipment malfunctions. And we haven't even talked about mental health yet. Mobile apps like Headversity and Moodbeam are now being used to help workers track stress levels, reflect on their mental wellness, and even check in anonymously with EAP services. In some organizations, these apps are tied to daily readiness surveys. Simple questions like, "How are you feeling today?" or "Do you feel rested and safe to work?" Some companies are going even further. They're integrating mobile mental health tools with wearable fatigue monitors and giving safety leaders daily snapshots of workforce well-being. These aren't diagnostic tools, but they're powerful early warning systems. This isn't just about compliance anymore, it's about care. Of course, mobile tech isn't perfect. Phones can break, signals can drop, and just like with wearables and real-time monitoring, privacy matters. Workers need to trust that their input isn't being used against them, but to support them. So how do we make it work? Transparency, clarity, inclusion? Workers should help shape how mobile tools are used, from customizing alerts to giving feedback on what actually helps. That builds ownership, and ownership builds stronger safety cultures. And the innovation keeps coming. New AI-powered mobile apps can now scan photos of hazards and classify the risks automatically, saving time on inspections. Others offer voice-activated reporting for gloved workers in loud environments. Some use augmented reality to overlay safety instructions on real equipment screens right from the phone. Ultimately, the real magic of mobile technology isn't in the apps or the gadgets. It's in the connection. It shortens the distance between a concern and a correction, between a question and an answer, between a worker and the team that's looking out for them. In our next episode, we're going to explore something deeper: how safety software platforms are creating centralized ecosystems where everything we've talked about, wearables, real-time monitoring, mobile tools, comes together in one place. Because the future of safety isn't about isolated innovations. It's about integration, and it all starts right here, in your pocket.